My job proved that almost everyone is secretly broke. I work at a rental car company, and what I witness daily is terrifying. Since insurance usually covers the rental cost, customers only need a $50 deposit. It is a tiny refundable hold, just for incidentals. Yet every single week, countless people get declined because they have no funds. I see clean-cut professionals in suits who look successful but can't swipe for $50. They are driving nice cars but are living entirely on credit. There is absolutely zero margin for error in their bank accounts. This feels like a silent echo of the 2008 crash. But now, it is consumer debt. We are seeing a massive lifestyle bubble where appearance matters more than solvency. Just like previous recessions, the facade crumbles when cash is actually required. When the average person cannot facilitate a $50 transaction, the economy is on thin ice. We are walking among financial zombies who are one paycheck away from ruin. Stop faking success and start building a real emergency fund today.